my name is Teresita Cruz, and I'm the Teen Adult Services Librarian for City Terrace Library. My LGBTQ plus classic selection is Fun Home by Alison Bechdel. It is a wonderful graphic novel that is both illustrated and written by Bechdel. The story covers Bechdel's childhood growing up in a funeral home they called the Fun Home, and her relationship with her father, who was distant and cold at times. It also covers Bechdel's college years, where she's discovering her own sexuality, as well as working through secrets about her father. The story is harsh and real and sad at times, but it is a wonderful read for anyone who loves memoirs.
Hi, my name is Ole Kagan, and my LGBTQ plus classic selection is A Single Man by Christopher Isherwood. This moody novella spends a day in the mind of an English professor of literature in 1962 Los Angeles, following the death of his long-term partner. A Single Man is an incisive look at aging, alienation, and the place of a well-to-do gay man in the 1960s. Though they differ in plot, the book and the 2009 movie starring Colin Firth are both worthwhile selections, and I recommend them.
Hello, I'm Paul, and my LGBT plus classic selection is Alan Hollinghurst's The Line of Beauty. Hollinghurst is one of the most subtle, nuanced writers of LGBT themes working in English today, and I really love this book because everything about it is so evocative and slightly dangerous. It takes place in the 1980s and is about a young boy who becomes sort of adopted by a conservative, politically connected family during the Margaret Thatcher era. Really good writing. It embraces history of the 1980s, the AIDS era, and the brief boom time of greed, as well as gay theories. I love it. It's well worth checking out.
Hi, my name is Martin Malelu, and my LGBTQ classic selection is The Poetry of Sappho. There are several translations of her fragments, including one by Willis Barnstone titled Sweet Bitter, and my personal favorite, Anne Carson's translation, If Not, Winter. Her work includes subjects such as her love for men and women, her surroundings, and her life. Her lyric poetry is passionate, provocative, and insightful, offering readers of the ancient Greeks a contrasting alternative to the epics of Homer. Check out her poetry today.
Hi, my name is David Davis, and my LGBTQ plus classic selection is The Pain Gets by Sarah Waters. It's a fantastic thriller set in post-World War I London, in which a lonely spinster named Frances takes in a couple as boarders. Pain Gets. She falls in love with the woman, but she gets more than she bargains for. Sarah Waters has a way of drawing you in, so take a trip with Frances if you dare.